Last year was the last time I did a morning routine type of video, and it was actually when I was studying during the summer. So this summer looks a lot different because I am no longer a student. And for a while I didn't really have a routine because I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now post-grad. But naturally my body started waking up at a certain time on its own, and I sort of fell into a routine in itself. So I'm not very strict with this routine, but this is typically what I do to get my day started. I find it easiest to be most productive when I'm following a routine. And routines like these that kind of develop on their own and feel most natural seem to be what works best for me. I do like to journal in the morning and figure out what I need to do during the day, basically set a to-do list, and I usually write down rough time estimates as well. I used to do this the night before, but I find that at night I'm just on summer mode and I don't want to do planning for the day ahead, so I find it just easier to do it in the morning when I'm bright-eyed and awake. In addition to journaling, I also check my emails and answer those as soon as I get up so I don't have that looming over me. And I try getting these little tasks done that are not the most fun, but they put me in the productive mood and it's easy to cross something off my to-do list. It is 8:30 right now and it's time for me to get ready to head out to my kickboxing class.
So, we go away from the thumb. So as I make a fist, it's time to go up. 1, 2, 3. If you got small hands like me, you're just gonna try to waste the wraps. So I'm gonna make some X's around the back of my hand.
I've recently started drinking protein shakes because my doctor says I could use a little more protein in my diet if my goal is to gain more muscle. It's quite hard for me to eat a lot of protein in my daily diet. I feel like I make a good effort with things like tofu and fish, but I don't eat a lot of meat. It's such a pain to cook with meat at home. I don't like touching raw chicken and stuff, So I'm giving protein shakes a try for now, and I drink it after I come back from the gym in the morning or I'm done with my workout. I found this one, it's double chocolate flavor, and apparently it's supposed to be like what most of the gym bros drink. I would not know, but that's what the internet is telling me. When I first drank it, I mixed it with water because the back of the pack says, oh, you just mix 1 scoop with this much water and you got your protein shake. I could not finish it. I hated it, not a fan. So I bought some almond milk, and I would not venture to say it's good tasting by any means, but it's bearable now. I don't want to hurl every time I drink it. It gets the job done.